Good morning, I'm Owen Dewitt from Flintloc. I'm president of the company. We do a very specialized vertical niche for fueling dispensers, protect them. And I just wanted to share why DMP, a little small testimony. We were struggling with a 150 panel out in a location, and we kept sending texts, and we even swapped the 150 board out, did several things. There was a fiber router between us and the main router that went out for communications. And the customer kept blaming us for the communications problem, and we did everything we possibly could do. And it just happened that one day I was there when they called and were fussing that it was down again, wasn't communicating. So I show up and I'm looking around, looking at the board, looking at the panel, trying to figure out, reset the fiber router, reset us. And then while I'm standing there, I feel something on my neck. And I look up, and sure enough, in the ceiling, there's water dripping right on top of the panel, and had been obviously every major rain that they got. And the panel worked, it just couldn't work communication-wise. So the only thing that happened was the network connectivity would drop during these storms and when the rain was hitting right on the panel. Got the hole fixed, works great now, don't have any more problems with it, but it was one of those things you just had to be there at the right time. But just shows you the panel board held up even getting wet. I always enjoy the roundtables because even as the last speaker, it makes me look at the blind spots and think about it. It gave me the opportunity to meet other dealers and some of the things they're doing. So if you've not attended one and you're thinking about it, certainly do it. It's well worthwhile. You'll learn a lot, you'll pick up some new tricks of the trade, and build some new relationships, which is all good.